Alright. I was looking for the oxygen sensor on the wrong pipe yesterday. Maybe you can guys help me see a little bit. Oh, there it is. There's the old one. I hope you guys can see it, though I can't see. This one? Definitely not that one. My apologies if you guys are looking upside down at it. Not much I can do. How do I take this off? Wait, this way. There we go. And the cobwebs come down with it. There you guys. I didn't like the way that wrench fit on there, the open end, so I'm doing it this way. Was it this way? Oh, there it goes. Alright. Which is probably a 1993 part. Yeah, that oil's probably from the... There we go. Probably from the power steering fluid leak over the years. I wonder. Nah. Oh, wait a minute, it goes in the other way. Shoot. I don't know. I'll just find a way to get it in there, that's all. Where'd that wire go that I had? Did I lose the wire? Where'd that have to go? Was there a thing? Damn. I don't know. I wonder. Oops, and I'm sorry I had to zoom the whole time a little bit. Alright. Huh, I lost my wire. Alright. Oh, I found it's right there. Not the easiest connecting things together in one hand. I have to lay it down right here, hopefully they can see, but tough luck. Oops. There we go. I probably should have tightened that sensor up before I put that on. Where's my wrench? Oops. This way? Nope. This way. Alright. The bug mess. Kind of